Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a vase. So the first tool we are going to be using is the mid-size rougher from Easy Wood Tools, and this one has a negative rake cutter on it. So all tools used in this video, including the chuck and even the lathe, will be listed down in the description. So right now we are just taking all the sides off and getting it to round. Alright, so now we are going to be making a tenon. And here's the detailer, so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And now we're going to start by doing a little bit of shaping. Here is the mid-size finisher. All the way through, like I said, we are sticking with the negative rake cutters on all of the tools. Is the number one hollower. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now we're going to use a Forstner bit and we're going to drill out the majority of the inside. There you go. Bit of compressed there. Alright, so now we're going to get the rougher and we are going to flatten the top off. And now we've got the number one hollower and we're going to hollow it out. Alright, just cleaning up that rim now. And there we go. Alright, so now we're going to do a bit of sanding. So we're starting off at 120 and we've transitioned there to 240 grit and we're wiping it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, so now we are starting with some wet sanding and we are starting with 320 and we're going to wet sand up to 1000. Alright, so now we have finished at 1000 and now we're just using a piece of paper towel with some methylated spirits on it, and we're just going to clean all that slurry off. And there you go. Alright, so now this is some Yorkshire Grit original. Gonna wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel. There we go, last few wipes. There we go. And here is some Yorkshire Grit Microfine. Exactly the same as before. Wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel. There we go, last few wipes. There we go. Alright, onto the buffing wheels. We're going to go through the different buffing compounds real quick. Really going to bring out the shine in this one. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.